My name is Danielle, and I am a patient of Moein Surgical Arts. I had a tummy tuck here in May of 2021. Actually, it was a tummy tuck and lipo 360. I was approaching 50. I had a twin pregnancy, and I was unhappy with how my stomach looked. I felt like it didn't represent my vibrancy, my youthfulness. It was something that really bothered me. It took me 10 years to really decide to treat myself and give myself that gift. So I decided for my 50th birthday that I would give myself the gift of a tummy tuck. My experience with the consultation with the surgeon was actually very good. I don't want to call myself high maintenance, but I definitely had some concerns. My safety was really primary, and I had reasons for that. I felt like it was kind of extenuating circumstances. My children had lost their father the year prior, so for me to go under and have a surgery that carries inherent risk, my primary concern was my safety. And during my consultation with the surgeon, he was very reassuring, comforting, and made sure that I felt comfortable that should anything go wrong during the surgery or things were not looking right, that he would immediately stop. And it wasn't about the procedure, it was about my safety first. So I felt very comfortable during my consultation with him. My feelings on the day of the surgery, obviously I was nervous, but I was surprisingly calm because I did trust my surgeon implicitly, and so I was concerned about what was the recovery gonna feel like. How was I going to feel like when I woke up? What was that going to look like? Just kind of thinking about being under anesthesia. All those things were a little worrisome, but I did trust that I was going to come through the surgery okay. I was kind of thinking more about what's recovery going to feel like. My recovery process immediately after surgery was, I don't want to say it was surprising because I was expecting, I would say the first 3 days you kind of feel like you got hit by a train. But after that, I'm one of those people that I do everything for myself. I don't sit down often, so once I was up and doing things, I felt pretty good. I think the hardest part for me was actually keeping myself sitting, resting, sleeping, and not doing too much. But immediately after the surgery, it was pretty rough. I'm not gonna lie, but you get through it. I am very satisfied with the results. It's actually changed my life. I know it sounds cliche when people say that, but it really did change the way that I move in my life. It's like I go to get dressed now, and I don't have to worry about, wearing a tight dress around my abdomen and feeling like, my mother's apron is showing through. I know it's flat, I know I'm shapely, and I feel like I'm back to being, myself and who I am and how I like to show up. Do your homework, find somebody that you are comfortable with, but I absolutely encourage anybody to do it. If there's something that is bothering you, it's creating you from living the life that you want, having the confidence that you want, I fully believe that people should pursue plastic surgery or any sort of surgery that helps them in their life. And again, just to do your research and make sure that you feel comfortable with the surgeon. And then also you need to have realistic expectations. No surgery is perfect. There's scars to consider. There's, things are not going to be perfect, but they're going to be a lot better, and they're definitely going to make a difference, I think, in your life.
Any regrets?
I have no regrets. Zero regrets. I'm very, very happy with the choice that I made, and while it was hard, it took me 10 years to make it, I say to myself now, why did it take me so long? I should have done it sooner.